Hi, I'm Becky Johnson with Sweetheart Quilt Design Company, and I'm back playing with layer cakes again. And we're going to do something a little different this time. But it's fun. You end up making this where you can do different shapes. You can line up a bunch of them and have the line go this way, like that, through the quilt. And then the opposite. Or you can make a diamond with them, big diamonds, or anything else you want to do. Anyway, I thought that was fun. It would look good too to swap these out. And that gives you a pretty look. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this cute little block. So what I did is I got 2 layer cake squares, and actually this layer cake it had a whole bunch of red and green fabrics in it, so I had this piece in my stash to match with it, so I just cut out 10-inch squares, and then I've drawn a diagonal line through here. So I'm going to go ahead and sew my scant 1/4 inch on either side of that line. Layer cake piece is a little bit bigger. Okay, which is fine. All right, we're just going to go back the other way. All right, then we're going to cut this in half on the line. And we're going to press toward the darker fabric. That one messed up a little bit. Look. There we go. Check it. Iron from the front, but then check the back. That works. Oops. Yep, got another one. All right, and then what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to stack these on top of here. I'm going to get these seams nested. So if you teach yourself to feel that when they're nested, it'll really help you out. All right, so then I'm going to cut this. It works. We've taken about 3/8 of an inch out of there, so the block measures 9 5/8 now. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut 3 1/8, and my white one is just a little bit smaller, or my right one is 10 inches. The layer cake is bigger. And then we're going to go from the other side, and I'm going to come in just a little bit. Whoops. Let's turn this around. A little bit extra because I know I need to line up with that white one, and it's in a little bit more. Okay. All right. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to flip this center section. And then I can take these pieces and I'm going to stitch these together. these together. Okay, then we're going to take, okay, and then we're going to lay this over and stitch it on here. And at this stage it looks a little wonky, but have faith. Okay, we're going to press them, 2 of them in, 2 of them out. Okay, then I like to, whoops. Okay, and I like to trim this from the other side so I can see these intersections and know that I'm cutting about 1/4 of an inch away from them. So this one's pressed the other way, so I can't really see it, but I can see the upper one. Okay, and then we'll do this one. Okay, and then we're just gonna swap the centers like that, and you can see where we're headed. So we're just gonna sew these together and we will end up